Have you ever wondered how product photographers take stunning studio photos while only using a small at-home studio? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how this is accomplished whilst only using a few inexpensive equipment. So, come check it out. So the setup I'm using is actually really simple. It's a 3-light setup. So these 2 lights right here, they're constant lights. I just normally keep the power at 100%. And then there's a speed light red up here, and that is the thing that I would change, that and the camera settings. But like I said, these 2 constant lights, I just keep that at 100% power. So what I used right here is a black backdrop. I used this because I wanted the whole image to be black except for the red shoes. And then to complement that, in the back right here, I use 2 black poster boards. So again, the whole thing's gonna be black except for the red shoes, which will be amazing. All right, so time to start taking pictures. Okay, so I like how the composition is. It's good, everything's in the center. Let's do a test photo right quick. Oops, that's on me. There we go. It's good. It's really good. But as you can see, it's dark but not black. So I need to decrease my flash power to, let's say, 164. That's getting better. It's getting better. Let me decrease it. I'll leave it at 164, and I will. Let me see. I will change shutter speed. That's a lie. I'll change my aperture to 11. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, it was a lot brighter before, and it showed unfortunately that there are 2 different backdrops behind me, behind the shoe. But when I changed it and made the f-stop f11, it made the whole thing black, and the shoes are popping red. So I'm happy with that. So I really like the look of that, but it's a little bland. I mean, I love the black background. I love just the red and the black, but I want a little bit of ambiance, a little bit of light in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a flash behind the counter below, and I'm gonna shoot that flash up against the backdrop, and I'm gonna put a color gel on top of that. So it's gonna be a red color splash of sorts. So let's do this. I just put a color gel on a stool behind the counter. So let's see what this is gonna look like. Okay, so it's at 128, so we cannot see that. So unfortunately, the flash that I used is not the same flash connected to this, so I have to do the walk of shame and go over there and switch it up. And I'm back. So I increased it to 1/32, and not bad, not bad, not bad. But it still shows that there are 2 backdrops, so I'm gonna switch that out, and I'll get a hopefully perfect image after that. Back again. All right, this should be the moment of truth. It's getting there. It's getting there. One more change, and we should be perfect. Okay, last try. Yes, very nice. As you can see, there's that little bright red spot of light. Perfect. Okay, so now that I like what the photo looks like, I'm gonna actually take a lot of pictures, but at different points of the shoot. So it'll be like this. Boom. One there. Boom. One there. Sorry. Boom. One there, and one more for safekeeping. Boom. Right there. So the reason I did this is because I'm gonna take all these photos, put them in Photoshop, stack them, and make them into a composite photo. And the reason I do that is because composite photos, they make this shoe a perfect shoe. So for instance, if I just taken a photo, like let's say that, it's gonna get the focus point area right there It's gonna get that area and a little bit more, but it's not gonna get, let's say, the shoe behind it or the toe of the shoe. But if I'm making it a composite photo and take photos on each point of this shoe as well as other shoe, it combines all those and both shoes are gonna be in perfect focus. So that's why I did it. I'll put all the photos together. So I switched up a little bit. So as you can see, I actually hung up the shoes by some tape. And I'm gonna show you in Photoshop how to remove said tape so it looks like the shoes are floating. So I switched my settings a little bit. Again, they're pretty much identical. The only thing I changed was I reduced the back red flash's power slightly, if that. But let's see what this looks like. Boom. I like it. I like it. And again, it's super similar to the other shoe. The only difference is it's floating. So yeah. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, subscribe. If not, subscribe anyway, because I need subscribers. Just saying.